Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are going to talk about Fetch.AI on USDT. Looking at Bitcoin or Ethereum right now, they're still hanging sort of in the danger areas. I'm not going to say under or above them. They're hanging right there in the danger areas. More Bitcoin on 10,400. Ethereum a little bit less. Ethereum is a little bit more weakish than Bitcoin this time around. So we'll still see what happens there. We're not exactly rushing into these alt trades right now, because if Ethereum takes a dive, or Bitcoin for that matter, right, it's gonna go bad quite quick, right? But before we go onwards, let me tell you first to please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and punch the notification button so that you get these videos that we do every day on your front end screen on YouTube, right? So yes, let's jump right back into it. There's a nice area on Fetch.AI, and usually I don't like to do these coins because, as you can already tell, it's a quite low liquidity coin, right? Should I say low in sense. If we were on Bitcoin, I would say low Satoshi coin, but this time I'm gonna say low USDT coin, and you'll see this quite in a minute. So yeah, the area right here is quite clear, right? And this is where the whole pump sort of started. And if you look at it from this way, let's see, from here, we moved all the way up to 500%. So you already know if this area is going to get hit, it's going to give us a nice healthy reaction, right? That's what we are expecting. But now comes the second turnaround, right? Because if I put my stop loss in that area, or should I say under that area where it usually makes sense, it's gonna be 24%. It's gonna be absolutely crazy, but there's a lot of upside on this coin, which still makes me want to play it, right? Even though the stop loss is fat. So first of all, I'm gonna go under it a little bit and just adjust the stop loss just a little bit, which is going to add me about 4%, which is a lot, doesn't sound a lot, but it's a lot when you compare it to our ratio, right? With that means said, I'm going to set up a TP right now. And the first TP after we get to this area, I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to place it right here, I'm going to place it safe. And the first TP already, as you can see, it's 2.3R or 43% on the coin, right? So it's definitely the most amazing first TP, or one of the most amazing first TPs we had, right? Except the ones we had in the proper bull run, which were like, way above that. But it's still nonetheless a very good TP. And one of these coins, when they can react like this, I'm definitely on board on taking them, right? So now the secondary TP, and in this case probably the last one as well, it's going to be located up here, and it's going to be about 95% or almost 2x on the coin, or 5R. Now the wonder is why this is the last TP, and and when I do this, I like to zoom out a little bit. So obviously this coin stretched itself a lot, right? It pumped for like 500%. So obviously what that happens, if you so quickly pump up, you're going to return back down just as fast usually. And now if you check these coins, what they had reactions in the past, right, on the way down, as you can see, most of the reaction was like 35 to 40%, right? Or even down here, the reaction was like 50%, or so 40 to 50%. 40% is about average what you get on the reactional level, right? Now, obviously this, when we came down here, none of these areas was as strong as this one, what we're aiming right now at it, right? So for here, I'm going to expect at least 50%, right? So that's our first profit target is a little bit above 40%, because I am expecting at least a 50%, pump from it. But 95% could be a big stretch, right? 95% in this case could be a big stretch, but I'm still going to keep it, right? I mean, this is the strongest level. So as you can see, this one gave us 35%, this one gave us 50%. So yes, this one could potentially give us 70 to 80%, right? So I'm going to I'm not going to keep it just there. I'm going to make a box for TP. That's number one, because I'm going to say the bottom of the box is we can TP, and the bottom of the box is around here. That would make, so the bottom of the box TP is a little bit safer, and that one is going to be located at 75%, which is something that should happen on a level like this. And obviously we do hope when this one is hit that even Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to be looking good, so that will give it that extra push, and hopefully it's going to end up real good for us, right? yeah, basically speaking, so if you kind of feeling fragile, put the stop loss, put the profit target on the low of the box. If you're feeling lucky, put stop loss above the box, right? Both of them should be hit, right? If we will have a nice clean market. If not, then probably only first profit target is going to be hit and we're going to get stopped even, which is not the best, but still the move is so big that it's definitely going to pay off. And even though the stop loss in this case is huge, right? It is absolutely huge stop loss. I can't really help it. I can't make the stop loss any smaller. Even that, when I already made it smaller, I'm already risking it that I can get wicked out. So yes, I don't, in those cases, I usually use tap traders to set an alarm on my Binance account, right? So that I don't get automatically stopped on the bottom. I just like to observe the price and see it. If it's going to be only a couple of minutes under my level, then I'm definitely not going to close it. If it's going to be more than a couple of minutes, I'll start closing it, right? It's just more effective this way of trading. I mean, at least for me, it's worked out way more effective than what I did back in the past in the Binance. Because you always have big whales on these coins that can, dump a huge amount, and they just paint a big wick down here, and then it closes back in, right? You almost never want to sell on a big wicks like that, right? In crypto, that's just not optimal trading. So yes, guys, please, if you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. We can do any analysis you guys wish for. Also join us on 4C Telegram community, where we discuss these trades, analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum all day, every day. And mostly how do we move our stop losses, how do we take our TPs as well. And also, again, subscribe to our channel, punch that notification button, and like the video. And I guess we will be seeing each other in the next one.